Welcome to SG Hindi. Let's learn how to use learning mode on sghindi.com. First of all, after clicking on learning mode, you will see a window like this where you can learn topics like reptiles, vocabulary, domestic animals, flowers, gender, noun, counting, wild animals, furniture, punctuation, time, colors, and so on. Let's see what these lessons have. First of all, we will see Varnamala, alphabet, with proper pronunciation and English meaning. Shapes, with words, pronunciation, explanation, and pictures. You can see festivals on the screen. Here is Bar Hai Khadi, with proper explanation, example, and pronunciation. Relation topic, Dada, Mosa, Bhabhi, everything. And now business noun, Dukandar, Joker, Chalak, with proper explanation. And counting. Sentence rearrangement lesson. You can also practice questions after learning these lessons by clicking on practice. Here you can see your favorite topic on the screen, idioms with meaning and uses in sentence. Thank you for watching. Please visit our website sghindi.com for more.